Imagine cutting-edge AI technology and remarkable professional features packed into a unique pocket-sized drone. The world's first drone positioned by visual inertial odometry. Constituted of a fisheye camera and a GPU-based mapping module, the VIO helps it locate itself based on position relative to its surrounding, realizing true autonomous flying. It sees the environment around it to allow for easy control and seamless flying, whether you are outdoors or in. It also records the trajectory wherever it flies, whether through the app or by hand. It can follow recorded trajectory to fly automatically. It's powered by the QUALCOMM SNAPDRAGON platform, providing all the power of a bigger drone with all the convenience of a smaller package. And it's so small, it can fold into a pocket or purse. Easy to operate straight out of the box. No need for calibration or satellite connection. Packed with unique features. It can track subjects automatically and take pictures with a single gesture. Using its amazing VIO technology, amp up all your adventures and capture all your most memorable moments entirely in 4K.